Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WooCommerce abandoned cart recovery with AutomateWoo, full guide step by step clearly. To enable WooCommerce abandoned cart recovery with AutomateWoo, start by ensuring you have the WooCommerce and AutomateWoo plugins installed and activated on your WordPress site. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the AutomateWoo section in the left sidebar. Click on the Workflows tab. Select Add Workflow to create a new workflow for abandoned cart recovery. In the workflow settings, give your workflow a descriptive name like Abandoned Cart Recovery. Next, add a trigger by clicking on the Add Trigger button. From the list of triggers, select Abandoned Cart. Adjust the settings for the trigger, such as the time delay before the workflow activates, commonly set to 1 hour after a cart is abandoned. Next, click Add Action to define what happens when the trigger activates. Select Send Email from the action options. In the email settings, customize the subject line and message to encourage customers to return and complete their purchase. Make sure to include a dynamic link to their cart in the email, which can help minimize friction for the customer. You can also personalize the email with the customer's name and cart items to make it more engaging. After finishing the email customization, click Save. If you want to add more actions, like sending an SMS reminder, click Add Action again and choose the desired option. Once you have configured all actions, ensure everything is set up correctly by reviewing your workflow settings. To finalize your workflow, click Activate at the top of the page. Your abandoned cart recovery workflow is now live and ready to help recover lost sales. Check back regularly to monitor the performance of your workflow and make adjustments as necessary. Consider testing different email templates or timing intervals to optimize recovery rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.